Hello and welcome back to the Easy Algo channel. Um, in my last video, I went over the how to get your balance. As you can see here, define, update, balance. The next thing I will be doing is showing you how to do get the order book for a trading pair. Um, and First thing with this is that easiest thing to do is to set up a variable called symbol, and we will define this as for me, it's going to be my BTC USDT trading pair, and that'll just make it easier in later uh, functions to call in that symbol, so I won't have to type that out every time. So we'll start off with defining our function of update order book, and then we are going to fetch the order book. So we will name that that variable order book, and then you will use Binance dot fetch order book, and then you have to put your symbol in here, but I will use my variable symbol, and that will pull it. And so what this will do, this will pull all of the well, not all, it'll pull the bid and the asks for the trading pair that we define, which what I did was BTC USDT. I'm not sure how many it pulls for each one. I think it might be 20, but we can take a look here um, and see what it pulls. Return order book. And so if we print this, update order book, let's go ahead and print. Well, run it. There you can see for the symbol BTUSD, here are bids, and then of course it gives you the order book for the bids. That is the price of 23,227.28 USDT, and that will get you 0.12184 Bitcoin. And then if you look through here, you will see somewhere the asks. So then it starts listing the asks. Same thing. So the price that is being asked for those who are selling in sell positions is 23,227.58 or 59 USDT. And if you give them that, they will give you 0.118825 Bitcoin. And so you guys can read up on that if you need to know what that is, the bids and the asks and the difference. Bids are those who are looking to buy, asks are those who are looking to sell, and the difference between the bid and the ask is called the spread. And like I said, you can look that up if you need to learn more about it. But what's important here is pulling your best ask and your best bid price. You may use that. I don't. I did use it for a little while in some of my orders, and then I started getting away from it as I started using um, limit uh, post only orders. But still, sometimes it's good to either pull that price or to know what it is, or to even use that one um, in your orders that you're creating. So in order to pull the best price for the bid or best price for the ask, we will set it up as I like to name it BTC um, bid. Then we'll go order book, and we will put in the brackets. We'll do bids, and then that will be spot 0 0. That will give you that should return this price right here for your bids, which would be your best. So if you got 23227, that would be your highest that somebody's willing to pay. Um, yeah, as you see, the very last one that's listed here, somebody is willing to pay $4,342, well, USDT for 0.01 Bitcoin. And so what it's going to do is it's going to return you the best or the highest bid. And then the next thing we will do is we're going to do our ask. So BTC ask equals order book. We'll put ASKS. And then same thing, 0, 0. And that again, that's going to pull your best ask. So this should be your cheapest that somebody's willing to sell, as compared to your most expensive, which would be down here. So it'd be 23,861. At least in the number of data points that it pulls for you. So whenever you're referring to things in these arrays or whatever these are called to return, you need to make sure that you're using the way it's typed or spelled here, whether it's lowercase or whatnot. But as you can see, ASKS asks, and that's what I used right here to pull that. And so we will then add this to our return. So BTC bid, BTC ask. And now if we print our, it's in spot 0, and then we do the same thing here. However, we will print the one position, which is our BTC ask. We should be getting our best bid and our best ask. Let's run that. And as you can see, we got our 23,236.64, which would be our bid, and then 23,243.76, which is our best ask price. So, yep, that's it for that one. Let's see, is there anything else I need to show with the order book? Not that I can think of. So this is a quick one. Hopefully you will find it helpful. Like I said, you can use this later on when you are creating orders. If you're trying to pull the highest or the best bid or ask price, depending on whether or not you're selling or buying. And this will give you that number, and it will update accordingly every time you pull in the function. So let's see, we're at 23,236.64. If we run this again, that number should change if that person's been bought out. Yep, as you can see, that position was either canceled or it was fulfilled, and we got updates. So it looks like the spread has gotten a lot closer here. So yeah, something might be going on with BTC and USDT. All right, so that concludes my second video, and we will see you next time.